Hello folks, this is Liu View channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called the salty fried pork slices. Chinese name called 盐煎肉. The main ingredient we need a piece of pork loin and a handful of garlic plant. This you put the garlic. You can grow it. I just harvested earlier. Grow it. We have a whole plant, and we also need 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon ginger, and this is a Sichuan chili sauce. We use this chili sauce. They have a lot of different brand. They have the big container one. They also have in the plastic bag one. You can buy in the Asian market the chili sauce called 豆瓣酱. And we also need the sweet bean paste. Chinese name 甜面酱. We need 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the garlic plant. This garlic plant, and you can grow it's very easy to grow. Like you grow the garlic, you just let it grow up, and usually you harvest and those parts are already gone. I harvested early, so still there. So we just cut the root off and wash it and cut the root off. And if you don't have the garlic, you can use the leek to do this. So I planted some garlic, and I just pour it today. I want to grow something else. If this part like the bad part, you just cut it off. When it grows, the garlic will already fall out. Okay, then we cut it. So for the bottom part, we just cut it. Properly like this. So it'll be like this. So it will be like this long. Don't go too long. This long. This is a garlic plant we get. Okay, we cut the pork loin. This pork loin we cut like this. We cut from middle first. Okay. Then we will cut it, slice it very thin. Try as thin as possible. So probably thin like this. This is the pork we get, thin sliced pork. Turn on the stove, medium fire. When the pot is hot, we add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use any vegetable oils. I use olive oil. So just rinse the pot. Okay, we don't need to wait. The oil is very hot. We just add the sliced pork into it to fry. We turn the fire a little, lower the medium fire to slowly fry. To let all the pork fat and the fry go to the oil. Let the pork fat go to the oil, and just slowly fry. When the pot have a lot of liquid, you can turn the fire to the medium fire and to a little higher than medium fire to just let this liquid is gone. Just poke to try to let those liquid gone, and just the pork and pork fat and the vegetable oil left in pot. And we go to do the next step. So don't do this in rush. Now you can see the liquid dry up. Only the vegetable olive oil and pork fat in the pot. Then we add it. I probably add 1 tablespoon of ginger, chopped ginger into it. You can add 1 tablespoon. It's up to you if you don't like ginger, or you like ginger, you can add more. Yeah, maybe more. You can add more than 1. Just slowly fry until the ginger releases good smell. When the ginger releases good smell, this is the Sichuan chili sauce, and we add 1 tablespoon of chili sauce to it. If you like spicy, you can add more. Just slowly fry. Slowly fry this chili sauce and until the red color go to the oil. When the red color come out and you will smell the good smell of the chili sauce. This is a sweet bean paste. We add 1 teaspoon to it, don't add too much. And fry it. When the sweet bean and the cheese release good smell, we added the garlic plant into it. And then we fry it. Slowly fry until the garlic plant is fully cooked. Add a 1/4 cup of water to it. Okay. And turn the fire to the high fire and keep frying. Remember, the sauce is very salty enough, so we don't add any salt to it. So don't add more salt, or it be so too salty. Just slowly fry. Okay, we can try the garlic plant to see if it's fully cooked or not. It's fully cooked. So we turn off the stove. So the dish is done. Let me try it. It's so good. So the salty fried pork slices. Chinese name called 盐煎肉. This dish is done, and I hope you like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.